Introduction. Historical research, writing, and studies are carried out with an objective of understanding the chronology of the past events and their interconnections. This is a continuous process. In the physical and natural sciences, the empirical method, that is, laboratory method of experiments and observation, is used to verify the available knowledge. This method allows formulating laws that remain true irrespective of the time and space. Those laws can be tested and proved repeatedly. In historical research, it may not be possible to use the method of laboratory experiments and observation. This is so because we were not present in the historical time and space, and the historical events cannot be recreated. Also, in history, it is not possible to formulate laws that remain true irrespective of the time and space. To begin, we need an expert who knows the language and script of a historical document in order to read it and understand its meaning. Also, the experts can examine the authenticity of the document by using criteria such as lettering style, author's style of writing, manufacturing date and type of paper, stamps of authority, etc. Such a document is further scrutinized by a historian with the help of relevant historical references. Methods of various disciplines are useful in historical research. For example, archaeology, archival science, manuscriptology, epigraphy, study of inscriptions, analysis of lettering style, linguistics, numismatics, study of coins, genealogy, study of lineage, etc. Historical research method. Writing of historical narrative. Formulating hypothesis. Critically examining of various sources of history. Formulating relevant questions in view of the historical references. Examining relevant references of the available historical information. Collecting historical information, highlighting the process that leads to historical transitions, carrying out comparative analysis. Understanding the references regarding time and space of the given historical events and also various conceptual frameworks used in historical research method. Tradition of historiography. We have learned about the historical research method, critically examining the historical sources and writing the historical narrative. The writing of critical historical narrative is known as historiography. A scholar who writes such a narrative is a historian. The historian cannot include every past event in his narrative. The inclusion and interpretation of historical events by the historian often depends on the conceptual framework adopted by him. His style of writing is determined by that conceptual framework. The tradition of writing historical narrative, that is, historiography, was not prevalent in the ancient societies of the world. However, that does not mean that they were not aware of the historical time or were not eager to know about it. Ancient people also felt the need of passing on the stories of the life and valor of the ancestors to the next generation. Ancient communities all over the world used various means like cave paintings, storytelling, singing songs and ballads, etc. for this purpose. These traditional means are looked upon as the sources of history in the modern historiography. Do you know? The above picture shows a fragment of the earliest inscription. A forward-marching file of soldiers holding shields and spears is seen here. The general is in the front. The tradition of recording historical event can be traced back to Sumer civilization in Mesopotamia. Names of Sumerian kings and the stories of battles fought by them have been preserved in various inscriptions. The earliest inscription shown above dates back to 4500 BCE. It records a battle fought between two kingdoms. It is now displayed at the Louvre Museum in France. Modern historiography. Four main characteristics of modern historiography. Its method is based on scientific principles. It begins with the formation of relevant questions. These questions are anthropocentric. It means that these questions are about the deeds of the members of ancient human societies of a particular period. History does not suggest any interrelation between the divine and human deeds. Answers to these questions are supported by reliable evidence. History presents a graph of mankind's journey with the help of the past human deeds. It is said that the modern historiography with above characteristics has its roots in the ancient Greek historical writings. History is originally a Greek term. Herodotus, the Greek historian of the 5th century BCE, used it first for his book titled The Histories. Development of scientific perspective in Europe and history.